First, open CapCut on your computer and import your video into the timeline. Select the clip you want to zoom in on. Now, move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to start. Click the diamond icon next to Transform under the Video tab on the right side. This adds your first keyframe. Next, move the playhead a few seconds forward and increase the scale slider to zoom in. You can also click and drag the video in the preview window to focus on a specific area. CapCut will automatically add a second keyframe. When you play it back, you'll see a smooth zoom-in effect right on your selected area. To zoom back out, just move the playhead further and reduce the scale back to 100%. And that's it. You've zoomed in on a specific area in CapCut PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.